How to check the real battery health on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to check the real battery health on iPhone, there are two ways. If you go to the battery option and check on battery health, you will see the maximum capacity. However, this is not the real battery health. For the real one, head over to any of your preferred browser and search for iPhone battery cycle. Tap on Battery Stats shortcut and tap on it. This will open the shortcuts on your device. Make sure to tap on Add Shortcut button. Now that you have done so, head over to your device again. From the home page again, open your device settings. Once you are on device settings, scroll down so that you find the option of privacy and security. Scroll down again to find the option of analytics and improvements. Then tap on analytics data. Search for the latest analytics and tap on it. Once you open the analytics of your device, tap on the share button from the top right corner. Scroll down a bit and in the shortcuts, you will see the option of copy to battery health. Once that is done, you can easily find the actual battery health of your iPhone. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.